Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Tutorials. My name is Ghost, and for today's recording, I am working on a Hit app called Question Quality Task. This one is a very easy Hit app to work on. Let me pull up the guidelines for you. So again, it's relevance of related question. In the simple and fun head app, we will evaluate the relevance of the related question with respect to the query. You are given a query and a related question. So for example, uh, 127 centimeter related question is long call signs and WSJT slash X. So this is like an overview of the head if you start to work on it. So a query, what is a query? So a query is what the user types in the search box or the search engine. So like if you go to Google, you search for something, that'll be your query. Now, I don't have to go through all these. Again, it's a really easy hit app to work with. Some tips, let's go here. In some cases where you are not very clear about the query intent, you can use the search page on the right hand side to help you, or right hand side to help you understand the topic of the query. Sometimes you will need to use your common sense in every, well, I would say in every head up you work with UHRS, it requires a lot of common sense and the best judgments to determine whether the related question reflects the same intent as the query. So let's go to the examples. Query countries playing cricket. Related question: what countries are cricket popular in? Judgment will be bad. The related question has the same intent as the query. Countries playing cricket. How many countries play professional cricket in the world? Good quality. The relation or the related question has different intent from the query, but it asks about a related topic, statistics on the professional cricket. Attractions in Bay Area. 10 things you need to know when you plan a road trip to San Francisco. So it's a good quality. Um, Attractions in Bay Area and stuffs you need or plan a road trip or 10 things you need to know when you plan a road trip to San Francisco. Bay Area rather is in San Francisco. So it's good quality. Um, let's proceed with the bad quality. Attractions in Bay Area, French fashion in 1800s. That's really bad. Okay, what else? Stand-up comedy in New York City. What are the most affordable real estates to buy in New York City? That's bad quality. So let's go ahead and do the judgment. So for this one, African elongation ritual, how to make 28 millimeter African huts. That's definitely not related. Let's see how it goes. Yep, we got it right. So the units for all constants in physics. What is the SI unit of permittivity? So that's related. The query and related questions have. Let's go ahead and check on that. Tick on that one, and then take this one. Oh man, the query and questions are related. Let's see how it goes. Yep, we got it right. For this one, Adolf Hitler age, Hitler quotations. Um, that's definitely different. Oh, it matches. Okay, we made a mistake over there. I think it's uh, I think it's because Hitler is in the query, and the related question has the name Hitler on it as well. So Tor VPN, Safe VPN, both are queries about. I mean, both are related to VPN. So the query and related question have different intent. The query and questions are related. Yep, we got it right. So the cheapest senior cell phone plans is Net 10 Virgin Mobile or Straight Talk better? So it talks about mobile phone plans. So I think that's okay. I do apologize that our judgment here is incorrect, but it should be both. Number one answer. All right. So moving on, the truth about Trentif- Trentilex. How often do you experience numbness in your arms or shoulders when you sleep? Totally different. Yep, we got it right. So SharePoint 1000, Freebox, and Office 365. The query, and I think it's not related. Let's see how it goes. Yep, we got it right. Last one. Tell me your secrets. Are Agatha Christie books okay for kids to read? Um, who is the author here? Tell me your secrets. One moment. I think it's not the same. The same. Okay, we got it right. Same question here. Okay, let's just go ahead and submit it. Okay. The truth about Trentilex. We've answered this already. Let's try again. So it's 1 and 0. Anyways, that is how you work on this particular hit. I hope this video helps you out. Again, the name of the hit is Question Quality Task. You can find us on Facebook. Our group name is Click Worker Philippines. You have to subscribe to our tutorial channel before we can welcome you there, and send over a screenshot to the email address and answer the relevant questions in our Facebook group before we can accept you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. It's Monday, by the way. Let me tell you a short story about the group. In the group, we motivate people to work hard and UHRS. We set up a goal every week to meet a $100 goal. So it's like your earnings per week, you have to reach at least 100. So that really motivates a lot of people. Anyways, we hope to see you there. Again, thank you for watching, and my name is Ghost. Have a good week. Bye bye.